What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm baking a carrot cake. Alright, buds, so now for the wet ingredients. For this, you could either use a stand mixer using the whisk attachment, a hand mixer, or you could just use, just do it by hand, like with a bowl and a whisk. So, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, so mix on medium speed until well combined. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're just gonna whisk this all together. These are all our dry ingredients. Alright, bud, so once the wet ingredients are combined, just gradually add in the dry ingredients. Alright, bud, so once it's all combined, fold in the carrots, 2 cups grated, 2 small cans of crushed pineapple, and half a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. Alright, buds, so now for the cream cheese frosting, I have half a cup, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and then a 1/4 cup of butter, softened. 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, buds, hope you enjoyed this tasty treat. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And also check out my playlist, Jay's Tasty Vids, in the description. The link is there. And that's my playlist to my cooking videos. And also check out my Instagram and TikTok, links in the description. And peace out.